Hey guys, I'm the Cyborg Sheep, and welcome to the Weekend Post. In this video, we are going to be going on a bike ride to Sugar Beach. We're also going to be using the drone a bunch, so I hope you enjoy. Alright, now this is perfect. So, you see this bicycle lane here? Last time I went on this trip, this never existed. This is exactly what you need. Before, all it was a single lane for cars, and you had to maneuver your way in between the sidewalk and traffic. Now, you have a lane completely to yourself in both directions. That is perfect. Good on you, Toronto. Alrighty, from this point on, it's nothing but smooth riding. Well, we are at our final destination right now. Unfortunately, what I have to say is probably the most interesting architecture I've ever seen. It's not in operation currently, so cinematography seems kind of pointless at this point. But anyways, that is one leg of the trip. Now, it's getting back. Well, those look like rain clouds. So, had to pull a fast one and start heading home. But anyways, that made for a fun time. Hope you dudes enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.